Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. So today in Self Mastery we are going to see this story, that is the Shepherd's Summit, Conquering Doubt and Embracing Adventure. In a quaint village nestled at the foot of a towering mountain, there lived a young shepherd named Aidan. Aidan had always dreamt of exploring the world beyond the village, but he felt shackled by his responsibilities to his family's sheep. One day, while tending to his flock on the mountainside, Aidan noticed a group of travelers making their way up a winding path. Intrigued, he struck up a conversation with them and learned that they were seasoned adventurers on a quest to reach the summit of the mountain. Inspired by their tales of adventures and discovery, Aidan felt a spark ignite within him. Despite his doubts and fears, he made a bold decision to join the travelers on their journey. As they ascended higher and higher, Aidan faced numerous challenges: a treacherous terrain, unpredictable weather, and moments of self-doubt. But with each obstacle he overcame, Aidan grew stronger and more determined to reach his summit. Finally, after days of relentless climbing, they reached the peak of the mountain. As Aidan stood at the summit, gazing at the breathtaking vista below, he realized the true meaning of his journey. It wasn't just about conquering the mountain, it was about conquering his own limitation and fears. With a newfound sense of confidence and purpose, Aidan returned to his village, and he may have been a shepherd by trade, but he was also an adventurer by heart. And as he tended to his flock each day, he carried with him the lessons learned from his journey, a reminder that with courage and determination, the possibilities were endless. And so, the once doubting shepherd became a symbol of bravery and resilience in the village, inspiring others to pursue their dreams with unwavering determination. And whenever Aidan looked up at the towering mountain that he had conquered, he knew that he was capable of achieving anything he set his mind to. Learn and grow daily with stories like these. Please do subscribe.